Hey, what's up? Welcome to a new video. Today I want to show you my top 10 pages for design inspiration. So let's start with number one, and this is a very common one. So Dribbble is the premier platform to find designers, to find design inspiration, and it's super easy. So for example, we could search for logo design SaaS, and with the search typed in, we can see a lot of things popping up. And it's really cool because on the one side, you also have animations in there, but you can also find the respective designer that was working on any design. And for example, here we can take a look at the brand kit that they created here, but we can also take a look at other projects that they have been doing. So Dribbble, super nice to get some basic inspiration. You can target everything, and it's probably also one of the biggest databases out there. Always keep in mind that the work that the designers are creating for the platform here is always super polished and specifically created, but yeah, I can only recommend to take a look at the platform. Second up, landing Folio. So landing Folio is super nice, more focused on landing page designs. And the nice thing here is you can filter by different page. So for example, you can take a look at pricing pages. And it's also very cool that if you click in here, you have a little description about the company. You can visit the company website, and this is a real screenshot of the page. So nothing that is specifically mocked up in a way that it looks nice, but more in a way that this is the real page. And you can also always take a look at the mobile designs. So super cool. Landing Folio, make sure to check it out. You can also filter by industry and also by color and a couple of other things. Next up on our list is Lbook. So with Lbook, it's also a page where we have a premium account and we can only suggest it also to you. This has a lot of new website designs. So they are doing a very good job curating awesome designs, and we are always using it in a way that we are saving it to different categories, for example, SaaS, but you can also use it in a super nice way to just take a look at different sections and then copy it over for your own inspiration. On the right side here, you have a ton of additional information like font types, colors, all sorts of things. You can also, in the pro version, take a look at the mobile designs of the different pages. But most of the things you can also take a look in the free version. You can also filter by different pages here. And yeah, it's also really cool to get an overview about what's happening out there. Number 4 is design spells. So this is specifically for motion design and animations on your websites. It's super nice if you are looking for ideas on how to do something very interactive. This can be, as I said, for the website. This can be also for app design, but it's super cool, super premium motion designs here. And you always have the ideas that they created right in your browser. You can take a look at it. And then there are also some animations here that are recommended or a little bit based on the category that you have here. So if you are looking for motion designs, make sure to check out design spells. Next up is Refero. Refero.design, also a super cool company, super cool founder. This is also giving you a lot of input about product design. So they have a ton of screenshots from different companies. So for example, Wise here, how does the dashboard look like if you log in? You have a ton of filter options in the pro account. You can also save all the different things here, and you can even check out whole onboarding flows, deleting account flows, and get a lot of inspiration for your own product, but also save a ton of time. Works quite well for app designs, but also web product designs, so make sure to check it out. Next up is Rebrand.gallery. So this is super awesome because it's a collection of rebrandings that people created. So for example, here you can see some very cool bento boxes, some animations of awesome rebrandings out there, and we are always taking it as an inspiration for our own products, our own rebrandings, and make sure to check it out. Also, the quality of the images and the video is super high, so it's really a pleasure, and you can spend hours just browsing through the different ideas here. Next up here is Superhero. So Superhero is a collection of website hero sections. Hero sections are often the most important thing on your website because you want to make sure to stand out and also really catch the attention of any visitor out there. You can really go onto this collection. It's very well curated and you can see a lot of the modern designs. Make sure to check it out, and you can always also increase the size here. There are some additional information about in which CMS the website was built, but also about the author of it. Then next up, out of our own venture studio, Magic Library. So Magic Library, we have built the world's largest collection of ads in terms of inspiration. So you can get inspiration on different ad types. So for example, lead gen, trust ads, different platforms and industry, mainly for SaaS and e-commerce. But then also what's the most amazing thing about Magic Libraries, you can copy them over to Figma and directly to Canva and change them for your own business. So in minutes, you can create a well-performing ad, and this is all based on the top performing ads of other companies out there. So for example, Canva, ClickUp, ZoomInfo, Zapier, all these great companies. You can use it and try it out for yourself. Really, really recommend it if you want to level up your ad game. Number 9 is Mobbin. So Mobbin is mainly about iOS, Android, and web app screens. So they collected tons of different apps, tons of different screens, and also different flows. So onboarding flows, welcome flows. They have recorded video on how everything looks like, also in terms of the animations and everything. And a lot of the things you can even copy over to Figma. So awesome library, awesome curation of the team behind it. Really check it out if you want to build a web app or a mobile app. Last but not least, SaaS landingpage.com. I love this website because it's specifically collecting landing page examples from SaaS companies, and it's really the best companies out there, the best designs. And whenever you are thinking about revamping the design for your SaaS website, you can get inspiration here, but also it's a very good source to brief your designers about it. So make sure to check it out. As in the other tools also, you can go in here, you can check out the different designs. It's screenshots basically in a very, very high resolution. There's a little bit of information on the right side, and it makes your life super, super easy to find the nicest looking designs out there. And this was my top 10. Hope you liked the video. If you want to see more content about design, about marketing, and how to build a standout startup or brand, make sure to follow the account below, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.